contestants one by one as they introduce themselves. Let's start with our primary department. Let's welcome our contestant or scientist number one.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariana Love Masbate from grade 1. Today I am Ada Lovelace, a mathematician and the world's first computer programmer. I once said, the more I learn, the more I grow. Thank you. I worked with Charles Babbage on his big machine, the analytical engine. I wrote the first computer program like a recipe of instructions to machine to follow. That is why people call me the world's first computer programmer. I imagined that computer could do more than math. They could make music and art too. Thank you.
Let me read it. Listen carefully, okay? Which scientists are you portraying and why did you choose them? Again, which scientists are you portraying and why did you choose them?
I choose Ada Lovelace because she is smart and she's a computer programmer just like my dad.
Okay.